So I'm Sahar Rahimian with Workfaith Connection, and I am our Business Systems Administrator.
And I'm Marisela Jimenez, also with Workfaith Connection. I'm the Manager of Corporate Partnerships and excited to involve partners, businesses to help us identify employment opportunities for our clients.
So at Workfaith, our mission is to provide faith-based coaching and training for anybody that desires long-term employment. With that, we do serve a large population of men and women that are in need of a second chance. And so this collaboration with Workforce Solutions really helped to fill a gap, getting those that needed a second chance, through accommodating their transportation needs, getting them hands-on training and a job focus that they really were interested in but had no previous experience in. This is collaborating in these ways was extremely beneficial for our clients.
And then in addition to that, we instill hope, the hope that they can be redeemed and that they can have a future. And not just for that, we disrupt the cycle of poverty, the cycle of thinking that their life has no chance. And when employers join us and employers provide those opportunities and open their door without concerns or judgment, that is the beginning of a new path. And we have many success stories that we can actually share because they have been documented.
I think also having Workforce Solutions come alongside our clients and serve as their ambassadors in the community for these employers. So we're doing that, but then having another team to support was extremely beneficial.
Now we understand that alone we cannot do everything, and in the collaboration and the support of Workforce Solution, we have benefited by meeting other partnerships, other community members that can provide other resources. And because of that, we are able to remove barriers for many of these clients, barriers that perhaps within our own scope of services, we are not able to do that. And some of those barriers can be additional training, technical training for opportunities to advance in their employment with their employers. And they can come back to us for as long as they need to get career coaching or coaching in some form to advance in their position or promote.
I would say also the best part about being on the team and being a part of this reentry initiative was really the journey, like seeing our clients land the reentry assignment, go through it, get the offer, and just watching their confidence increase and just like a completely different person. And we have a really awesome success story. One of our job search accelerator graduates, Cornell Martin, he got out of prison, went through our job search accelerator program, and then shortly after went into the reentry. It was matched with an assignment totally outside of his job experience, his prior experience. He had a background in sales, and he wanted to get into HR but had no relevant work experience. So re-entry really helped him to gain experience in a new industry that he's able to now build a career out of. So he's been promoted since re-entry. His employer loves him, and he's extremely happy. So
one of the greatest opportunity that we're so excited to announce is that we are here to serve the Hispanic community. The clients sometimes that have barriers, not just the barriers to finding employment, long-term employment, but also the language. And Workfaith, partnering with Workforce Solution, is extending this opportunity to let the Hispanic population, who may also be struggling with finding employment, to join us and break those barriers of the language and the learning opportunities and advancing those opportunities so they can be introduced to employers locally and nationally as well. And I believe that Workforce Solution has the resources that we can combine and help many, many thousands of people find long-term employment.
I think we would also be able to serve Workforce Solutions clients with group coaching, individual coaching, our job search accelerator training, which is a job readiness program, and we've got what we call Workfaith Academy classes, so we teach soft skills, and so I think that would be a great way that we could come alongside and serve Workforce Solutions clients.
Working with Workforce Solution is an initiative that we want to sustain because we see the benefit for our clients, and partnering with the community. Working with other partners is the way to really removing barriers, all kinds of barriers for our clients, and we are always looking for those opportunities to work with community partners.
And I would say, based on the success that we've had through this reentry initiative, we would definitely work with Workforce Solutions again.